Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, August 23rd, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Announcements. Teachers, please post your attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. You have been doing a great job of this. Classroom phones. Please turn up the volume on your classroom phones to make sure that office and any other people trying to reach you can get you. Late duty. Today is Miss Hogan, tomorrow Miss Curd, Thursday Miss Hatcher, Friday Miss Langford. Important dates. We have the HMH growth measure going on all this week, it looks like. August 23rd, broadcast team applications due to Miss Gibbs. This may be pushed back a little bit due to Miss Gibbs being out. August 29th through September 2nd will be the iReady Diagnostic 1. September 5th, Labor Day, no school. September 6th, Title I meeting for parents at 9 a.m. September 9th, Grandparent Day lunch and Kona Ice. September 21st, Fall Makeup Picture Day. October 7th, end of the first quarter. October 10th, no school teacher work day. Tomorrow, our assessment schedule is going to be our third grade teachers. We'll start with Miss Tarver and Miss Hatcher first thing, followed by Miss Hamlin and Miss Sunstall. The lab should be set up, ready to go. There should be headphones. You will just bring your own devices. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.